Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to switch public channel to private. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! A Telegram channel is where you can receive broadcast updates about the channel's main purpose or topic. If you are the creator of a Telegram channel, then you are responsible to curate and send content, links, image, videos, or any other updates regarding which you've made your channel. The two different Telegram channels are private and public. And what if you create a public channel and you want to switch to private maybe for some reason? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Telegram. Now, you can choose on the channel that you want to switch the privacy. Can open the group info. Tap on the pencil icon at the top of your group here. You can see there is a channel type. You can just tap on that. Here's a public and I will switch to private. You can choose on private. You can tap on the up right corner here. So now tap on the up right corner here, checklist. So now your channel is private channel. It's a simple, right? So that is how to switch public channel to private channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.